It's here. Look, kid, that's Regina's windshield. Well, I'm very excited. I had to open it up because he wanted me to sign, and I wanted to make sure, after all the trouble I had with this shipping company and everything, but it's finally here. It is Regina, my 56 Plymouth Belvedere. Her windshield is finally here. So, and it's got the green tint, and I'm really excited about it. Can't wait to get this sucker installed. All right, the first tip I've seen on these installs is you're gonna wanna take some glass cleaner and clean all around the edges. Try not to inhale it. I'm not doing a very good job with this. Let me finish this part up. Okay, so this part isn't really about cleaning the glass itself, so to speak. More about than it is about cleaning the part where the gasket is going to be meeting with the glass. Sorry, I had to lift it up there. So, got all that part done. And I did find a little gob of grease from something. So it's a good thing I did that. But yeah, you'll see like the tape residue right there. That's not the part we're cleaning. We're not worried about that. You clean that later. This is just about cleaning the part of the glass that the gasket touches. All right, so the way I'm kind of doing this is you have to kind of take both hands and like, so you have to grab both sides and pull it open and then push it through with your thumb if you're doing this by yourself. And it is very tricky and I'm having a lot of difficulty, definitely gonna be honest. So I've got most of it on, but not enough to see if I mistakenly ordered the wrong gasket or not. It looks like it might fit, but let me finish this and let me see if I can hold this phone and film this. Let's see. All right. See if I can do this without breaking this windshield. Tell you what, man, these jokers are pretty heavy. And I ripped it off the bottom. And I ripped it off the top. And the rope came out. Okay. Failure. Well, so far, extremely frustrating. Like one of those things where you don't see how it's possible frustrating. Definitely not doing what I'm supposed to be doing, breaking all my rules, being impatient, but I do not see how this can be done. I mean, you can't even hardly maneuver the glass without it coming out of the seam. And then you got to take it off and start all over again. So that I do not know. It's one of those things you got to keep messing with. Okay, forgive my appearance. It is 103 degrees. I'm under a carport with Regina, my 56 Plymouth Belvedere, and I am going against my better judgment, and I'm installing the windshield. Well, I'm attempting to install the windshield myself. It has given me all kinds of trouble. I feel like I'm lucky I haven't broken it yet. My impatience will not let me. It's just been sitting here a week, and this is my second attempt, and there's nobody to help me. So I even called to see if anyone, not that I have money, but to see if anyone, like a glass windshield place, Safe Light. No, they won't touch it. So wish me luck, and here we go. All right, what I've done so far, I let the gasket sit around the windshield. Saw a video where this gentleman recommends this. Made sense to me. It sat around the windshield for just while the windshield was up, on stands for several days, almost a week. So at least the windshield has a little bit of memory, but not a lot, as you can see. But I've got it kind of in place. I kind of have the pinch weld in the groove it's supposed to go in, and that pretty much sums up my attempts with everything so far, kind of. So yeah, that's where we are. I'm wrestling with it. So let's go to the inside. All right. So, don't know how well you can see, but we're basically not doing anything. I'm just kind of wrestling with it bit by bit, piece by piece. Trying to maneuver the gasket. Okay, I don't see any other thing to try except for the rope. So we're gonna try it. Oh, I'll be surprised, man. I just don't think it's seating good.
Definitely not seating good because it ain't coming out easy. Okay. Now at this part, I've moved on to the top part. Not because I succeeded, but because I failed so bad. I was actually trying to go ahead and remove it. It dawned on me removing it. Like, long story short, I'm struggling. Whoops. Spent too much time working on the car and looks like I'm in trouble with the missus. But good news is I may have accidentally almost got it. Just got this last little corner here. Okay, trying something I've never tried before. I try and use a heat gun, or I've never seen anyone else try watching these videos. Use this heat gun to see if I can't soften this gasket a little bit. Okay, heat gun did not have any effect at all, and I didn't want to crack the glass. So, I just kept on messing with it. And come on, man. Okay, I finally got it. Mason's enjoying it. It's filthy, but gasket's all sealed all the way around. And same on the outside. He's very excited about it. He's also excited about the white paint job on the top. Gasket's all sealed all the way around. Everything's good. The only thing is I'm gonna have to trim a little bit of that off right there. But yeah, it was very hard. It was very hard. It was, man, it's the hardest thing I've done on this car, not gonna lie. I didn't spray any glass cleaner or silicone sprayer WD-40 anywhere in there, and it was very difficult to pull the rope out, and I think that is probably something that you should do. So get you a couple of those suction cup things from Harbor Freight, real cheap. Be patient. Watch as many videos as you can. Spray the silicone or the glass cleaner into the gasket where you're pulling the rope out, and be very patient. And when you get frustrated, quit, take a break. But Regina now has a brand new windshield. Hopefully her last one. She'll hopefully have that on her 100th birthday, which is in 30 years. And that's my goal for this car. I love this car. I'm obsessed with this car. I love this boy. I'm obsessed with this boy. And I hope watching me struggle doing this was somewhat helpful for somebody. And if not, when you're older, maybe you can watch this and see how me and you did this. Give me 5. All right, good job. And tomorrow we're going to go out to the 1950 Dodge Coronet, and we're going to put the tires on it, so that the next step is to trailer it and bring it home, and then we get to work on that. Yay! Yeah. That's right. Well, thanks for watching.